Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you are doing good. Today in the Leadership, Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to learn about the 5 N rules or the N hacks. What are these N hacks? So the first N stands for being noble, being generous, being kind. Second, the leader is always nice. The third, leader is always nourishing, warm, affectionate. Number 4, be notable. That is being remarkable, to create an impact or to make an impact or to leave an impact. Next, nurturing. Leader is always nurturing. That is providing the resources or the things needed. Right. So to start with, number 1, noble. Be gentle, be noble in your pursuits. Be noble in dealing with people. Be gentle in your approaches towards people, and be generous to help when needed. If you are resourceful enough, it's your responsibility to share those resources equally among everyone so that nobody feels that they are differenced out or they stand out, right? So equal distribution of resources, help people out, by being noble, by being nice. Be nice to people. Yes, there is a limit to being nice, that nobody should take advantage of your niceness, but at the same time, be nice in sharing. Like they say, sharing is caring, right? So be nice in sharing your thoughts, in sharing your achievements, in sharing what went well, what went wrong, or how we can improve on the things. Be nice and be sophisticated enough, right? And take good notes of the shared experiences so that we can move forward ahead with great experiences. Next is be nourishing. Again, a part as a responsibility of a leader to take care of their people, to take care of their problems, to take care of their needs first, put them first in your leadership, in your style, in your administration, in your organization, in your enterprise, in your business, in your community. So nourish people, let them grow, let them make their voice, let them speak up, so that once you lend them a ear, once you nourish theirs, once you try to understand them, they feel they you build a credibility and they feel they can trust you. You build that trust among them so that it creates a harmonious and a nurturing environment and a nourishing environment where everybody can talk freely and openly and be transparent and honest in freely sharing the problems, so that we can work on those problems and find the solutions for the long run. Next is be notable. Whatever you do it with full passion and determination and your 100%. So be remarkable, be notable, create your impact, create your mark, embrace your struggles, embrace your challenges, and come out outperforming the existing challenges and make your work stand out in front of everyone. Be notable. Next is nurturing. Be warm, be affectionate, be compassionate in dealing with people. Be really nice and help them out. And as a leader, provide them with all the resources, all the tools, all the techniques, all the requirements, or all the suggestions or the advices being needed or required from you as a leader. Be always there to help them out. So that these are the 5 N qualities of the leadership success according to me. You can share yours and let me know. Wish you all have a great day ahead and hope you like it. For more insights on leadership training, mentoring, coaching, you can connect with me, and do like, share, follow and repost this if you like it. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you.